What's up guys, hope you're all having a good day. Today we have a 2016 Jeep Renegade. It is selling at a cost of $1.6 million. It is located in the parish of Kingston. If you're interested in viewing or purchasing this vehicle, the contact information can be found throughout the video. Very clean machine and very beautiful vehicle. It seems to be working in great order. Remember to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, as these all help the channel to grow. Thank you for all your support.